Day 2 of our cycling adventure was supposed to be in Japan's Naha City, but Typhoon Fung-Wong forced a port closure and delayed our departure. Fortunately, the team from Giant Adventure made on-the-ground adjustments to the route, so after lunch, off we went on a short 20km ride towards Taiwan's Keelung port. This brought us near the coast, where we enjoyed a really nice scenic ride, with great photo ops. Then it was time to board Superstar Aquarius for our final cycling destination, Ishigaki Island. Our arrival to the Japanese island was greeted with clear skies and loads of sunshine. We had a relatively easy route, allowing us to take in as much of the scenery as we cycled through the town and past the coast. On the way back, one of our party had a little incident. The Giant Adventures team made short work of that, and we were quickly on our way. Then, all too soon, we were on our way back to the ship. Interestingly, over the past 3 days of cycling, we never once encountered a motorist who honked at us. This certainly made the rides a whole lot more pleasant. And although all of us were wishing that the trip would just last a bit longer, all good things come to an end. And we can certainly look forward to the next cycling adventure.